If you love reading books and want to make money at the same time, then check this amazing sites where you can earn money just by reading books. 1. Curcus Media. Curcus Media is a company that specializes primarily in book reviews. That means they are often hiring reviewers to read books and write reviews of roughly 350 words. You need to submit your resume, writing samples, and a list of reviewing specialties to Curcus if you want to be considered for the job. 2. Online Book Club. Online Book Club is a company that pays between $5 and $60 for book reviews, depending on the length of the book, etc. The company is looking for honest reviews of the books they send to members, and it is free to become a member. Online Book Club sends out books to you at no charge. 3. Publishers Weekly. It's a weekly news magazine that focuses on the book publishing business. Their website career page features job opening information for editors, copy editors, and book reviewers. They want reviews for both traditionally and self-published books. You need to send the company a resume as well as a 200-word sample review of a recently published book if you want to apply as a reviewer. 4. The U.S. Review of Books. This company publishes book reviews of thousands of books in a variety of different genres. The company regularly seeks reviewers to write 250-300-word reviews of books. You request reviewer status for this company when they post available books for review on their site. You'll earn pay for reviews you complete on a monthly basis. 5. Upwork. Upwork, a freelancing network that connects freelancers with those in need of help. Offer positions for writing reviews on books for websites or blogs. Of course, job availability varies. Upwork offers thousands of jobs in a variety of genres, often including jobs for book reviewers that are paid as independent contractors. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, comment, and like the video.